Okay, today we're at a preserve and it doesn't have a name on the sign and I couldn't even pronounce it if I wanted to, but I'll mention it later. But this looks like a really cool hike. Can't wait to see it. Come on along. Okay, there's the name. Jagolinzer. I hope that's how you say it. Jagolinzer Preserve. Woohoo! Can't wait to see this. Look, there's a little arrow. Point you right where to go. What a cute little trail. Yay. Very cute. Oh my gosh, I so love these little turtle signs. Really cute. Entering the loop trail so we can loop back. Here's one end. Here's the other. Damn mosquitoes. It's pretty muddy though. More moss for you moss lovers. Look at that. It's really green. Whoa, look at this. Ooh. Yeah. Very cool. Well, check that out. Against the Saco River at a flood stage. And look at the different dates and the times that it was flooded. Wow. That's kind of crazy. Kind of neat. Huh. Whoa. Now we really can see the Saco. Nice. Listen to those. I think they're frogs. Listen to them. They are noisy. Wow. Well, waterfall? Yes, please. We will go see that. And then I guess you can take a bypass and not look at the Saco River or the waterfall. Why wouldn't you? Like, wow. Look at that. The only thing that's annoying out here right now is the mosquitoes, but man, that is just gorgeous. Wow. So far this hike is not disappointed. except the mosquitoes. Wow. Tell me that's not gorgeous right there. You're sitting there on a hot sunny day. That would be so awesome. Beautiful. Breathtaking. Unbelievable. What an absolutely stunning and pretty walk. Waterfalls everywhere. So love it. Look, they have a place for you to put your phone on the stand and take a picture of the falls. That's crazy. I've never seen that anywhere. Wow.